Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone plan supports tethering and that you have enough data. Plug the phone in or charge to at least 50% so the link stays stable. Battery saver modes can throttle tethering, so turn them off. On the computer, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and network drivers are current. Once done, open your phone's hotspot or tethering settings and switch on the hotspot. Keep the hotspot screen visible briefly to note the SSID and password. Next, you decide the method. Wi-Fi is easiest, USB is fastest, and chargers simultaneously. Bluetooth saves power but is slower. You set a secure WPA2 password, and if available, a recognizable SSID so you don't join the wrong network. On your computer, select the phone's SSID from the Wi-Fi list or plug in the USB and accept any prompts. Drivers may install automatically. Once connected, check the browser or system tray for internet access, and disable automatic hotspot sleep if you need persistent connectivity. To finish, monitor data usage and configure timeouts to prevent accidental overages. This also preserves battery life. Make sure you turn the hotspot off when finished, and consider using USB when you need long sessions because it charges the phone. If connection fails, reboot the phone and computer, toggle airplane mode once, or reconnect the USB cable firmly. On Wi-Fi, try forgetting the network and rejoining. If issues persist, check carrier restrictions and restart network services. These steps resolve most tethering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.